All right, everybody, so if you have a trailer, you know that you need to have a spare because something's going to happen. The biggest thing about trailers, though, is keeping your bearing hubs, your bearings greased, keep them packed. You got to do it. You got to check them at least once a year. But if you're on the road, let's say you damage your rim, you can't get your lugs off, something like that. This is something my dad came up with. Check this out. This is awesome. First of all, that's not normal. Check this out. He actually welded this axle onto here with this spare mount. So now he has a full hub that he only needs to take the castle nut. See if you can see that. He only needs to take the castle nut off. You take the washer and you slide this right on in case you lose a wheel bearing or something like that. You have a full backup right here and you're good to go. There ain't no issues. But as you go down the road, this just spins and it rotates. But I thought this was just the coolest idea and make your life a little bit easier. So I hope that you all enjoyed this. You know, check out what my dad did. Maybe that's something that somebody can come out with, or if they already have, I haven't seen it. And take care, everybody.